Hi, I'm Karen with SchoolDude.com, and in this quick step video, I'll show you how Maintenance Direct site administrators will log in and use the system. We'll cover entering new work requests, approving and declining work orders, and searching for requests in the system. SchoolDude software is completely web-based, so you can access your account from any computer with an internet connection, not just your school computer. I'm here on just a regular website, and I'm going to go up to my address bar and type login.schooldude.com and hit enter. Enter your username and password. This information will be provided to you by an administrator. You may have a generic password the first time you log in, and the system will prompt you to change your password to something more personal. Make sure Maintenance Direct is selected in the drop-down box, then click Sign In. You will automatically be on your Maintenance Direct Site Administrator homepage. You will also see other tabs at the top of the screen for the My Request, New Request, Approval, and My Settings pages. We'll go over those later. Under the tabs, you have your Search For box and Advanced Search link. If you need to search for a work order, simply type the work order ID number into the Search For box and click Go. If you don't know the ID number, click on the Advanced Search link to bring up a page where you can select search criteria to narrow down the list of work orders to help you find the one you need. You will only be able to search for and view work orders that are taking place at your assigned locations. The center section at the top of the home page is the Request section. This pie chart reflects the current status and count of the work orders assigned to or approved by you. The numbers under My Requests indicate the current status of the work orders that you have personally requested in the system. In the middle of the page, you have your Requested Work section. Any new work orders assigned to you for approval will be here in this section. You can sort this list by various criteria in ascending or descending order. Here you can see the basic information about the work order, such as location and description. You can also process your work orders right from this section. Click the Approve button to send this work order on to the next person in the approval chain. If you need to decline this work order, you may want to enter a note into the Action Taken field to give a reason for rejecting this request before clicking the Decline button. The user that entered the work order will be able to see any notes that you type in that field. If you need to make changes or additions to the work order, you can click on the work order ID number in red. This will take you to the work order form where you can modify some of the information on the request. Then click the Submit button to save it, or use the Approve or Reject buttons to process the request. You can also process your assigned work orders by either clicking the number next to New Request at the top of the page or by clicking on the Approval tab. Either method will take you to the same processing screen. Here you will see the details for the newest request that needs your approval already on the screen. You can select a different work order by using the Unprocessed New Requests drop-down box. This contains the work order descriptions for all requests that are waiting for your approval. Click on a description to bring the details of that work order to your screen. To approve the request, select Yes next to Approve and click Submit. To decline, select No. Again, you may want to enter a reason for declining the work order in the Action Taken field before you click Submit. Once you have processed that request, the next one in the list will appear on the screen until there are no more requests waiting. To enter a new work order, click on the New Request tab. On the work order form, you will need to make sure to fill out all required fields indicated with this red check mark. In Step 1, you will select the location where the maintenance service needs to occur. The only locations that will appear in this list are the ones you have been assigned to. The building field may or may not be available on your form. If it is, select the appropriate building for your request. Do the same for the area. You can type in the actual room number or name in the area number field. This information is helpful to the maintenance staff so they know exactly where the issue is located. In Step 2, select the problem type that most closely matches the issue you are reporting. For this example, I'll select air conditioning. In Step 3, enter a brief but thorough description of the issue you are reporting. Step 4 will already be filled in with your information. In Step 5, you may include file attachments on the work order. You can add files, such as documents, photos, spreadsheets, and so on. Just be aware that you are limited to 2 attachments per work order, with a file size of 3 megabytes or less per file. Step 6 allows you to enter an Action Taken message. Generally, you will not use this field when entering a new work order. It is mainly used by the maintenance staff to enter notes about the work that is being done. Once you have completely filled out the request form, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. The My Requests tab shows you a list of all the work orders you have entered into the system, so you can easily check the progress of these requests. If you need to make any changes to your personal information, you can do so under the My Settings tab. You can also see the list of your assigned locations on this page. This is also where you would go if you need to change your password. Finally, there is a help link on the right side of the page where you can access a PDF manual for site administrators, as well as contact the support team here at SchoolDude. Once you have finished entering or approving your work requests, click Log Out to exit the system. This concludes our quick step video for Maintenance Direct Site Administrators. Please contact us at the SchoolDude Client Service Center if you have any questions or need further assistance. Call 1-877-883-8337 or send an email to support@schooldude.com. Thanks for watching!